I got to skate yesterday and my arm is feeling better and better each day. Although I'm still scared to like fall on it, I'm still skating. I can use it like 75%. I'm not gonna skate super hard. I'm gonna be cruising. Probably doing the same tricks I always do. So not really much has changed.
Oh, you got it. Frontside Dell, you definitely got this one.
Hey, don't worry, dude. I'll keep you off the vlog. I know you're trying to pursue some core skate industry shit, all right?
Bro,
don't worry.
Keep me off
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So I'm completely out of my element. I'm in Surf City. It's actually where I used to live. It feels so weird being here now. This is insane. Wait, check them as in look through them or
Yes,
leave them
look
here?
through.
Okay.
Look
Oh, okay, cool.
I wouldn't want to be responsible for your stuff being left.
I would not want you
There
to
is
either.
gonna be.
All right, there's a lot of illegal things in here.
Thank you. Have a good night. Hi.
Bye. These motherfuckers think they can stop me from vaping. By the way, we came up to watch the contest. We're at the Vans US Open. I didn't even say where we were. I just said we were in Huntington Beach. I don't know if you can even hear me over this announcer and Metallica playing, but yeah, we have really terrible seats, so you can't even really see the contest. I know I'm super backlit right now also. It's because of the way I'm facing and sitting. So the men's skate contest just finished and...
Does anyone know who this asshole is?
Look who moved to Southern California. It's Janice. She's on Braille's channel.
Hey.
I'm Fabian's channel. We're both saying things at the same time. Apologize about the wind noise, but hey, quick Q&A with Janice. Janice, you just
my
moved.
hair's messed up.
Who cares? It's fine.
Film me. My hair is puffy.
You're an internet person. You know how this goes. Okay, you just moved here. How long ago?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Okay. And what's your address? Routing number and social security card.
That would be 5873.
How long have you done the internet thing?
I was really big on MySpace back in about like 2008.
Okay, fast forward 10 years.
So I started making videos like a year ago, and then when I started filming with Rail is when people realized I existed and started following my channel.
Okay, you were also on Fabian's channel.
I was.
So this might be the wrong word, and I apologize for the wind noise, but the thing that is so iconic about the Vans US Open, you're just hanging out in the background. It's always a shit show. 2 years ago, they had to like shut this thing down because there was a bunch of riots. And it's just like 15-year-olds running around doing crazy 15-year-old suburban shit. So it's like weird. I don't know if you guys follow Ed Templeton or follow his photography at all. He showcases this stuff very well because he lives in Huntington and he always comes down to the pier and shoots photos and posts them on Instagram. It's basically a suburban wasteland. So anything that you would find in a big shopping mall, you will also find here. You could probably divide each individual, each set of people into a specific group by store via mall. You have your Hot Topic, you have your PacSun, you have your Zoomies, you have your Claire's, you have your Spencer's, you have your JCPenney's, your Nordstroms. It's all here. What I'll probably end up doing is just calling out people and telling you guys which store I think they belong to. Some will probably get offended by this, but that's okay. We live in a sensitive world.
Wait, I'm gonna start.
Okay.
Zoomies.
See that? That is a sandcastle made out of, yeah, that's not what I meant to say, but okay, it's a sandcastle made out of sand, but it's a Vans sign. What would they do if somebody jumped into it?
Oh, yeah.
Would you get arrested?
Probably.
Oh, like actually you think so?
Maybe a ticket or something.
A ticket, okay.
I mean, there's no law against like jumping on the pile.
Well, I know, but so those are the consequences if we decide to do anything.
You're saying we.
The little old lady right there, she's gonna tackle you.
That's fucking viral.
These guys get tackled.
What do you think? What do you think of them? Hey, what store do you think they belong to right there? What store?
Forever 21.
What about them? What about them?
What's that one that sells all like the baller stuff?
What about these guys?
The cops.
What about those guys right there?
PacSun.
Yeah, the surfer.
PacSun.
Hot Topic, easy. Cut off sleeves right here.
H&M.
Polo store, right?
Polo Ralph Lauren.
Yeah, it's fucking literally Fabio. Janice, what do you think of that guy?
Hot.
We're leaving this mile-inch thick makeup testosterone fest. Thank you for facilitating with the content today. Janice's YouTube channel will be in the description below. Is it down there? I wasn't. The fucking description, dude. God damn it. You guys remember Claire from the Agenda Do Tour video?
Hi.
Claire's never been here. I'm gonna take some pictures of her inside the mall too. So I'm shooting film. I'm finally doing another video where I shoot photos. Yeah, this is how we go in. No, this is how we go in. See? Through there, and then we go through there.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Isn't it quiet in here? It's tight, right? A few scenes in Westworld. Me and Claire just started watching it. There's a couple scenes in there where they have shots of the escalator and the staircase. And it's like really sick. When I was watching it, I was like, holy shit, it's the abandoned mall. Yeah, see, it's like cool how the rays like come through the beams.
It's so pretty, and it's like dusty, so it goes in the street.
Yeah, it's tight. This is a homie. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell you who he is. What?
I drew this one.
You drew that one?
Yeah.
It's a good one.
Thank you.
It's a really odd looking penis.
That's how I like them.
Odd looking? Guys, look, the pool of blood is still here. But can you hear that?
Sketch.
There's also birds like flying around and animals walking around here. It's like nowhere near as scary as it is in the nighttime in here. This pool of blood still looks just as wet as the last time, which leads me to believe that it's just a prop for a movie. I don't think it's like actual blood. This is moving. There's absolutely no draft in here whatsoever. Okay, so I'm gonna take a few pictures of Claire. If I have them developed by the time this comes out, which I highly doubt I will, I'll put some of them in the video, but these are probably gonna go in the next zine that I've been talking about was supposed to come out a month ago, which I'm delaying. So these photos might end up in there. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know if we were in frame or not, but I just shot a photo, but I forgot the camera was recording, so I have no idea if we were in frame.
Hi, future Dale. It's past Claire.
Someone's in here. They can totally hear us now. What? You want to?
Pulling my pussy card.
Yeah. Will you take this?
It'd be cool to shoot down here too.
Yeah, we can do that.
That's your best angle.
My best angle. Yeah, it would be pretty cool to shoot down here, huh?
Yeah.
Thinking. It's a security guard always in this parking garage right here.
Tell me more. You don't have to record it.
Oh. I don't know why I thought you wanted me to record it.
No, I was just wondering.
So right now what we're doing is we're looking through this lens of camera to get an idea, to get like an eye for something. Yeah, I don't really know. What?
Just look.
It looks good.
Shirt on shirt.
Shirt on shirt.
Look at this, look.
There's probably a bunch of wind noise right now. I know it's super annoying. I just took a bunch of photos. I literally shot through an entire roll and a half actually, because I finished off one roll and shot another entire roll. I don't really typically shoot I don't ever get a person and then I'm just gonna shoot them and just take a bunch of pictures of them. So it's kind of feels almost a little bit out of my element, because typically when I shoot photos, I just I keep a camera on me.
It felt really out of his element. He's
Yeah.
just being modest.